Hello everyone. So we are solving second question from the top interview 150 question from the lead code. So the question is saying that there is the array. You just have to remove the element from the array which is told by the by the question only. So you can see here from the nums array you have to remove the three numbers from this array. So and you have to give output as a 2 and the nums array as this 2 and 2 only. It should not be, there should not be 3 in the array. So first see how the code is working here. So there is a array as a nums like this, and what we have to do, we have to remove the element 3 from the array. So first dry run it. What we can do, we can do index equal to 0. We are starting one index is equal to 0 and we are traveling by using a for loop starting from 0 until the length of the array. So I is less than nums dot length, and I will plus plus because we have to iterate whole array. Then if nums of I is not equal to, well, so here what we are doing, if the nums of I and val both are equal, then we want to just skip it. That's why we are taking the if condition. If both are not matching, then only means value and the nums of I is not matching, then only we will put that element in our new array. So we are not creating new array, we are just replacing the value of nums array. So nums of I is equal to nums of, sorry, we will uh, we will write nums of index. So we are replacing zeroth element by nums of I and doing index plus plus. And now we will just return the index, and that's it. Because the return type is int, that's why we are returning index. So here we will dry run this code. Like this is the array and value is 3. Now here we are dry run this code. First, in first iteration nums of I is 3 and value is also 3. So the condition become false because our condition is norms of I is not equal to value, right? So condition becomes false and this box will not run. Then for next iteration index will be 0 and the nums of I will become 2. Then 2 is not equal to 3, condition becomes true, and we will run nums of index, means at zeroth index we are storing nums of 5, means at zeroth index we are storing 2 and we are doing index plus plus. That's why index value become 1. In next iteration we are at number 2 and this condition again become true, and we will again saving nums of index, means in nums in the first index we are saving nums of I. So at the first index, this is zeroth index, this is first index, we are saying 2. In next iteration and index is getting plus plus again. So now the index is becoming 2 becomes 2. Then we are doing again iteration. In this iteration, the nums of I is 3 and value is also 3. That's why this condition becomes false, so nothing will happen. And for the next iteration we will break the for loop, because for loop becomes for because nums we are greater than nums or less, then it is index out of bound condition, and we are just returning the index, and our index is 2. 2. That's it. Now here is the code. What we are doing, int index is equal to 0, then we are saving. This is not mandatory to use int n, but it's okay now if it is there. Then for loop, if nums of I is not equal to value, nums of index is equal to nums of I, and we are doing index plus plus, and at the end we are returning the index. That's it. Now submit it. Hmm. Okay, so we are beating 100% of users in runtime.